In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video in Google Sites. If you want to add a video to your Google site quickly and cleanly, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. We'll be working directly inside the Google Sites editor and pulling the video in from Google Drive, which is a convenient option if your file is already stored there. To begin, go to your site and open the page where you want the video to appear. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can add content to the page. It helps to first decide roughly where on the page you want the video to go, because the video will be inserted into the section you currently have selected. Once you're inside the site editor, move over to the panel on the right-hand side. This panel contains the tools for adding content and layout elements to your page. From there, click on Drive. This option lets you browse files that are stored in your Google Drive and insert them directly into the site without needing to upload them again from your computer. After the Drive window opens, find the folder that contains your video files and double-click to open it. In this example, the folder shown is a video folder in Drive. Double-clicking opens it so you can see the files inside. If you have a lot of files in your Drive, using organized folders like this can make the process much faster and easier. Next, click on the video you want to add to the site. Selecting the correct file is important, so take a second to confirm you've chosen the right video before moving on. This is especially helpful if several files have similar names or if you're managing multiple versions of the same video. Once the video is selected, click on Insert. Google Sites will then place the video onto your page. After it appears, you can usually reposition it or adjust its size on the page so it fits nicely with the rest of your content. For the best viewing experience, make sure the video is placed in a section where visitors can easily see it and interact with it. And that's it. By going to your site, choosing Drive from the right panel, opening the correct folder, selecting your video, and clicking Insert, you can add a video to Google Sites in just a few clicks. This is a simple and effective way to make your site more engaging and visually dynamic.